Hi everyone and welcome back. In previous couple of videos we talked about building a baseline application using Express TypeScript, and we also explored Nest.js, how we can just create a simple APIs using Nest.js. Okay, now in coming videos we are going to talk about scalability in Node.js based on what infra environment you are using, like AWS, Azure, or you are running the Node.js instance on simple EC2 instance, or you are using the containerized environment with the help of Docker engine, or you might be using Kubernetes for it. So we'll talk about what is horizontal scaling, what is vertical scaling. Okay, so this example is talking about a simple full stack application where you have front end, back end, API backend, and here we are using simple Nginx, which is acting as a proxy and simple load balancer. Okay, if you just set up this using Docker Compose on your local machine, then it will be Nginx will be a separate container, then you have front end container, back end container, and MongoDB container. Okay, so Nginx is acting as a load balancer to route the traffic either to the front end or either to the API backend. Okay, and then API backend can further talk to other set of microservices through different protocols. It can talk to the other microservices using HTTP, gRPC, or AMQP protocol. It can be a simple synchronous communication with other microservices, or asynchronous communication with the AMQP, where you are writing a message to the SQS queue and there are other listener services which will listen to your event or the message which you have published, and then this is how the state of the application will change. Okay, so what we will try to do is we will try to understand how we can achieve the scalability in Node.js, how we can achieve the monitoring of Node.js processes, and how we can do the logging and all these aspects. These all are aspects of microservices. I mean, how you can do the scalability of your services, your Node.js process instance. So we have to take care of a lot of other things, like we can use a PM2, we can use a cluster module to actually replicate Node.js process instance to a multi-core instance, or running a simple Node.js process on different machines. That depends on how you are doing a scalability. Is it a horizontal scaling or a vertical scaling? Okay, so we'll talk about that in the next video.